I was trapping in the struggle for the bucks. Young fuck, see what's happening, then we run out for the bucks. And you know it, 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 and you know it.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Wavy J
And Wavy Zay,
back with another banger video, man. And
Boy.
today, oh my god,
look at this. Look
my hair.
at this.
Well, as you can see by the title, man, today we are doing a curly hair routine or whatever you want to call it.
I mean, we gotta try it out.
Yeah, I need my curls looking nice.
For me, see, look here. I never really have my hair curly, so it's gonna be something new to me.
He doesn't like his shit.
It's not like
He
that.
likes it like
No.
afro. Yeah, I like my shit curly because
I
I'm
just-
light skin. You feel me? Light skin, you really got the curls. You gotta go crazy.
My shit really don't be getting curly like that. Sometimes when I put certain shit in, but no, it don't be curly like that.
I need my curls nice and good for the girls, you feel me? I need my shit looking fly. I just need my shit looking luscious. You dig?
Anyway, let's get straight to this video.
Alright, fam. We only gotta use a little bit of products, you feel me? I don't use too much because my hair is already naturally curly. Anyway, I use this pink lotion, you feel me? I put in Cantu leave-in conditioning, and this is optional, but I use this thing called Noodle Head. My mom got me it, and it makes my hair like super curly, you feel me?
See, I use these things, but I don't use it all together.
Well, that's why your hair look like that. What you want to do is you want to get a towel because you don't want to get wet. So
Got you.
let me go get a towel. Yes, sir.
So we got the towels, y'all.
You dig, you dig, you dig. Alright, now you feel me? I'm gonna wet my hair because my shit looking rough. Should we use a shower head or like the sink?
What do you think?
We're gonna use the shower head. So am I going first?
Yeah, you're starting off first. I'll go
Okay, you feel
second.
me?
Let's do it.
Go here.
Welcome to the Wavy Bros bathroom.
You don't want it too hot. You don't want it too cold. You want it just right.
Just right, you feel me?
That's a little too cold.
That's a little. I remember the first time I came in here, I burnt the hell out of myself with the shower. Hop right back in there.
Get all that hair wet. All that.
20 minutes later.
Feel me?
Like a rat.
Look, all wet. Dry it up. You don't want to dry it too much. You want to leave it a little damp. You feel me? I don't know. You probably see it or not. I don't know. But it's a little wet. You can already see it curl up just a little bit.
Just a little
That's
bit.
Light skin powers.
Feeling
Light skin
himself.
Nah, I need a haircut though. Alright, next wave, fam. You feel me? I want to pull out the pink lotion, put it in my hair, get some moisturizer. So let's get into that. You feel me?
See how curly this boy hair gets since he the master curly.
I didn't say I was a master.
Nah, you act like you are.
Yeah, just like that.
Goes crazy.
Go around
Go crazy.
everywhere.
See, when you do it, you gotta do a little dance. You gotta sing with it. You feel me?
No,
You gotta go.
don't listen to him, but don't listen to him. You feel me? Get that all nice and curly. Oh, you wanna? I don't put too much in. I mean, I just had to. I don't want to put too much in though.
I don't put too much in, but he just put two big old squirts in there. And he's so put too much in his nigga with this shit curly.
Look, already see. You can see it's kind of like a different color. It looks a little like grayish. I get my hair just like that. After my hands are a little nasty.
You gotta make sure y'all wash that all good.
Yeah, watch that good, because if you sweat that or put it on your face, you're gonna break out.
Why is your sweat so white?
I was like, what is wrong with you?
I'm like, I don't know, bro.
Alright, next, you want to get in Cantu leave-in conditioning. Feel me? Just get your 2 fingers. Just go like that, I guess. Yeah. You want to rub it around your hand?
Very white. Okay.
Rub it around your hand. Your hands. Just go in, you feel me? Just like we did with the pink lotion. You can already see it. It's changing. It's curling
Make sure you
up.
scratch that scalp too.
It's
Get
curling
all in
up.
there.
It's curling. It's going stupid.
Get all in there.
I just need a haircut. Don't even worry about my hairline.
They missed the OJ, the old curly head Jaden.
Nah, that nigga was ugly.
Nah,
You talking about sophomore year?
nah. I like the curl. I'm not talking about the person. I'm talking about the curls. The curls look stupid.
I didn't maintain them that well though. My hands are still messy, you feel me? But like I said, this is the last step. You put in some noodle head. Like I said, it's optional for y'all, but for personal reasons, I like it. 1, 2, just like that. just like the other steps, I'm gonna rub it in my hands. I'm gonna just go right in. Because I don't know what Zay's story is, but I'm not.
Go.
Some slight, some slight.
Go ahead. You feel me? Look
You
at
know the vibes. You know the vibes.
curls.
Like I said, don't worry about the hairline. Worry about the curls. You feel me?
That way, curly top.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, y'all. It's my turn. I feel like I don't have curls, but Jay told me my hair can get curly.
It can. It's a routine, bro.
You feel me? When I just don't like when my hair gets
You
shrinked.
have different type of hair. It doesn't mean it can't get curly.
You feel me? My shit looks short, but my shit's actually pretty long. Basically, let's do this. So we're gonna start how Jay started it. Get the camera, grab the camera, you feel me? We gonna copy what Lady Jay did.
Something like that. Alright, yes sir. It's wet. It's wet. What's your steps, bro? What's the steps? I'm trying to see something.
Feel me? So we gonna start it off with the pink lotion.
Is that right?
Yes, sir. We gonna get a couple squares. That's two. And like mine, white. You feel me? Oh yeah.
Going stupid, brother?
Feel me? I already kind of like it. You feel me? I might have to do this more, bro.
I'm trying to tell niggas.
I might have to do this more.
I'm trying to tell niggas, man.
But yeah, you do that. Make sure all that's in. Make sure you see no white spots. You feel me? You don't want no white in your hair. Then we go to the can too. Like Jay said.
Yes, sir.
2 fingers. Oh, that's damn. A little too much. You feel me? It's cool. Again, rub it in good. Make sure your hands all over. Brother.
I told niggas.
My shit.
No one be trusting me, man. No one be trusting you.
I
Don't, like I said, don't worry about the hairline. You gonna be better.
No, my Then look, my hair, look, here. Since Jay sits on his hair, look at mine, bro. I'll let y'all see my widow's peak. Boy! Go ahead and roast on me. Screen record that, post it all you want to. I don't care. So, we're gonna get to the noodle head. Feel me? You said 2?
I put 2 in.
2, brother?
Yes, sir.
1, 2.
This is where it really like starts to like loosen the curls.
This smells so good.
Yes.
Like this, it really do.
Starts to loosen up the curls. Look at that.
They really don't have curls like that until you into this. I just put this in.
He went from looking like Frederick Douglass to
Okay. Okay.
looking like an OG.
Okay.
Went from where's my hug to a bitch.
Wait. You're elephant. When my hair dries out and it comes like a couple days, it'll get back to normal length. But, bruh.
That's what it looks like.
Bruh. Go ahead, show him. Kind of stuff.
Alright, let me get it. Come out a little bit. You feel me? I'm trying to get a whole 360.
So comment down below should I do this routine way more?
Comment down if Zay should do this more. Cause you don't really do all that curly routine shit.
Got like my 3 dreads in the front.
No.
Always the hating. It's always the hating.
Alright, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the little tutorial, man. Not just one video every month. We finna be back on our grind, man.
Couple of our friends, not our friends, couple people around that talk to us, talking about asking us where have we been. Like, we busy, not busy.
Man, I'm just trying to go up, man. I'm just trying to go up. Everyone be like, when's the next wavy video coming out? You feel me? I got a life, but I'm gonna be on my shit.
We have a banger coming soon.
Banger.
A banger. Y'all gonna be like,
This one wasn't a banger, but the next one.
y'all gonna be like,
Sheesh.
y'all be like, the old Wavy J is back in the business?
Back on stupid.
About to go crazy. Just
Alright, y'all. Feel me? Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that, man.
Make sure y'all say Team Zay all the
Remember that.
way.
It's Team J. It's
know what
Team
it
J,
is.
man. But I'm out. Yes, sir.